In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter multi-currency transactions in QuickBooks Online. We'll start by turning on the multi-currency feature in your company settings. Then we'll look at how to assign specific currencies to your customers, vendors, and accounts so your foreign transactions are tracked correctly. First, let's enable multi-currency. In QuickBooks Online, go to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. From the menu that appears, choose Account and Settings. This is where you control most of the core setup for your company file. On the left-hand side, select the Advanced tab. This area controls things like accounting settings, automation, and, in our case, currencies. Scroll down until you see the Currency section. On the right side of that section, click the little pencil icon to edit. Here, you'll see an option to choose your home currency, which is usually the currency you use for your financial reports and taxes. Make sure this is correct before you continue, because changing your home currency later is not supported. Once your home currency is set, turn on the multi-currency switch. QuickBooks will display a warning explaining that once multi-currency is enabled, it cannot be turned off. This is important because it permanently changes how your books work behind the scenes. If you're sure you need multi-currency, confirm that you want to proceed. After that, click Save and then Done to lock in your changes. Now that multi-currency is enabled, let's assign currencies to customers and vendors. When you create a new customer, you'll notice a currency field in their profile. Open the Customer Setup screen, and from the Currency drop-down, select the specific currency that customer uses. From this point on, every invoice and payment you create for that customer will be in that foreign currency. QuickBooks will automatically handle the conversion back to your home currency for reporting. The same idea applies to vendors. When you add a new vendor, choose the currency they bill you in. Once this is set, all bills, expenses, and payments for that vendor will be recorded in that currency. This helps keep your payables accurate and makes it easier to see exactly what you owe in each currency. You can also assign foreign currencies to new bank accounts, credit cards, assets, and liabilities. When you create one of these accounts in your chart of accounts, simply pick the appropriate currency. This ensures that deposits, withdrawals, and balances are tracked correctly in their own currency while still rolling up properly in your home currency reports.